Humans learn by going to schools and colleges and gaining intelligence. Similarly, for the robots and machines to gain intelligence, they need to go through a learning exercise. A micro project is a data learning exercise for robots and machines to become artificially intelligent. Micro project is just one of the many ways humans try to make these robots and machines learn by preparing samples of data. This new form of work is disrupting and transforming the nature of traditional work and is the future remote work. Join us and work for mission critical projects coming from global corporates. There are many benefits while working on micro projects. It's total work freedom. It's not a hefty 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. job. Work as per your own convenience anytime 24/7. Work from anywhere and with zero commutation. Work by being within your family. No management pressure and deadlines. No fear of any job loss. No vacation limit and no work limit. Any educational background. No prior experience. No prior skill set. No interviews. No age barrier. Start your earnings today. Register for our webinar, visit our website www.intellinature.info and join us today.